Iced Americano is my favorite drink if I had to choose one. So after I left Korea, I knew I need to know how one can make Ice Americano at home. It is really simple, but in Korea I just order it every day. I never paid attention how they make it. Even it's simple and about the taste, I kind of know what it has. And I like the taste really much. And the one good thing, doesn't need sugar. That's why I really like it. And this is my machine what I bought. That's maybe the biggest problem when you want to make ice americano. You have to buy this machine. I think it's quite expensive. I have a cheap one. It's like 150 euros, but it's really good. And from this angle, I know I need to clean the top part where you insert this thing. So I need to go to do that later. And the ice americano is like the main drink in every Korean coffee shop, so I drink it there every day, and that's why I wanted to make this video to somebody who really wants to also make it, because it's simple but you need to know how to do it. And this part wasn't too easy because I was filming with other hand, and that's why this happened. So I need to clean my mess later, but that's okay. Yeah, they say that don't push it like too much, and I think I just use some force. It's not like, it can be okay and bad sometimes. That this time I think I should have pushed a little more because it was a little bubbly when it came out, so more force. I never pushed too much, I think. And now cleaning my mess. Usually I think it's quite fast to make it. This time when I was filming took more time, and you see the camera in the background that wasn't filming, so it's only one angle. And yeah, push the button before because it takes some time to heat up and be ready. Now I need to wait because of that. And the beginning I take also ice out, so that's another good thing, to take ice out early. And now we wait. Hot milk cappuccino thing, I think that's another useful thing when you make hot chocolate. Here. And you don't need 2 cups, but it looks really nice. Also, you can take the bottom part off to fit the cup there. You can also put it to big cup instantly, but then you need to hold the cup. And waiting the water gets really cool, so actually ice americano needs 3 parts. The espresso shot, yeah, it's the espresso powder what I use, cold water, like half of the cup, and then ice cubes, what have been on the table for maybe like 5 minutes, so now they come off easily. 3 pieces, ice cube, cold water, and then the espresso shot. And the espresso shot is now hot, so it's no need to hurry. At ice americano, it's need to get cold, so and ice cubes won't melt so fast. I'm always putting a new one to the fridge. The freezer, I mean. Yeah, and then I like to put my cup on angle, so I'm filming with my chin. Because then it doesn't splash the water so much. And I thought I put too much water, so that's why I take a little bit off. But I think it would have been perfect without taking it off. Now it will come little, like not full. And this part is the most enjoyable. The hot espresso shot to cold water and ice cubes. That's how you cool it down. And yeah, there is some space left. Little mixing. Don't even always do this when you pour it on the top, it goes down and gets less good anyway. Time to clean up. Also hard to do when you're filming with other hand. Otherwise quite simple. I always wash the cups because then they are almost clean. Because coffee comes out instantly when it's hot. Like that. And then pour the coffee powder to biocompost. Yep. I wonder if it's too much work to do, but no, only work is to buy the machine. In my opinion, so far. Now I have done this almost a year. In Korea it is really cheap, Ice Americano, but in Finland it's really cost a lot, and you can find it from coffee shops. So if you wanna enjoy it, make it home.